Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing my stock investment portfolio with all of you. I'm also going to be sharing some future plans I have with it that could actually happen within the next month. So if you do enjoy this video, be sure to like and subscribe because it helps me so much more than you probably think. So first, let's look at my total portfolio so you can see how much money is in stocks compared to my other investments like crypto and cash. So first off, right now, you can see that I'm only about 4% in stocks, which is really low. My goal is to get 80 to 85% in stocks. You can also see I am mostly cash, and that is for one reason. The reason is I actually think a stock market crash, or at least a dip, could be coming in the near future. I'm hoping for like 20-30%, and so with most of my cash, I'm waiting on the sidelines to invest it in and buy the dip. Because right now I feel like we're super high up, and so I'm not even going to invest the most of my money. So I have actually 2 day trading brokerages which hold most of my cash just for the minimum balance I need in those accounts. And that's where I'm going to invest the majority of my money into stocks like VOO and VTI, which are the S&P 500 and the Total Market Index Fund. My other investments like more funds, but also individual stocks, those are in Robinhood right now. And so let's go over there and check out what I have. So looking at my total portfolio in Robinhood, I have about $560, and that's just from one paycheck from my job. And so over the next few months, my portfolio is really just gonna like fivefold. It's gonna get pretty big. As you can see, I'm currently only about 43% in stocks and 56% in cash in Robinhood. And that's because I'm actually dollar cost averaging every single day. And dollar cost averaging means you're getting in a little bit at a set amount every day, like recurring investment. And that's like the safest way of investing instead of lump sum, which means just going all in at once. What I'm doing is just adding in a little bit every day into the stocks that I want to build a position in. I timed it right so that I will run out of money right when I get paid again. And so that way, I'm just investing every single day the maximum I can. The math kind of goes like this. I get paid on August 6th. Right now, it's July 30th. And so that means I have about 4 more market days of investing that I will be buying in. And so we can look at my current cash position, which is $317. So 317 divided by the 4 market days. Now that's, let's round up to 80. So that means I'm going to be investing $80 every single day into the stocks that I want. And when my next paycheck gets paid, I'll calculate that then, and I'll be able to invest every single day based off that. First of all, I'm not an investment advisor, so take this all with a grain of salt. This is purely for entertainment purposes. So 50% of my portfolio I want to be funds, like VOO, VTI, and QQQ. And I like these mostly because they're generally safer and more consistent, and they have a bigger track record. They don't rely on one company to perform. Now for the other 50% that I'm investing in, these are all in high conviction individual stocks. So let's go into each one and why I like it. So getting into CRSR, Corsair Gaming, you probably know about it. I really like this because the market cap is only 2.9 billion. Now that seems really low to me for the kind of company this is. I mean, right now seems like a really good price, and gaming is at the bottom. Gaming is just going to get even more popular, and I think Corsair is one of the main known brands to use for gaming. So I think this is a really good price. I mean, I think they could become a $10-20 billion company, and that's like 5-10 times your money. So yeah, CRSR is one of my favorite stocks to invest in every day, especially right now at this relatively low price. Next, we have Mara and Riot. Now, these stocks are both Bitcoin stocks, and I'm investing in these just because if you look at their market cap, 2.7 billion, I think if Bitcoin goes up in value over time, I think these stocks could almost maybe outperform Bitcoin just from their holdings, and I think it's good to have. Now, I am investing the lightest on these stocks just because I already have exposure to crypto, which I'll talk about in another video. So the next one I'm invested in is Coin, which is Coinbase. Now, I'm invested in them just because I think they're the leader of crypto brokerages, or at least up there. But I do think the market cap seems a bit high. but I think there's still room to grow, and over time, if crypto is a success, I think Coinbase will be the leader. And next we got Tesla. Of course, I have to have some Tesla. Now, I think Tesla is my highest conviction stock just because, I mean, you know, Tesla is the leader in EV, and EV is only the future. Now, what I also like about Tesla is that it's kind of like a fund. It's also in the solar sector, the battery sector, and I think they have so much more room to grow, and I think they're just going to be doing more. I've heard rumors of Elon, he's interested in starting jets. So if he can get into the jet business, and he has his semi-truck, so he's getting into the trucking business, like, Tesla's going to be huge, man. I'm really, like, confident on this. So I think that's going to be probably the biggest in my portfolio in the individual stocks. I'll probably still be heavier on the funds like VOO, but I think I'll be pretty heavy on Tesla. So next, going into RDFN, which is Redfin. This stock is a real estate brokerage, kind of like Zillow. I heard that it's better to sell a house on Redfin. I think their commission structure is like a lot less compared to Zillow. And so also I really think that they can compete with Zillow. And also looking at the market cap of 6 billion, comparing that market cap to Zillow, which is 27 billion, it seems like Redfin has a lot of room to grow. And so I'm really confident in that stock too. Now, next, I am invested in Hood, which is Robinhood. The IPO was literally just yesterday. Now, I wasn't originally looking to invest in Robinhood, but the valuation started out at only like 30 billion. And so I think that's a really good valuation for Robinhood. It seems pretty low, especially because I think online banking is literally the future. And so I think Robinhood could expand into that space and really compete with the online banks out there. And so 30 billion in that sense is really low. Now, lastly, TTCF, which is Tattooed Chef. Honestly, I just invested in this because of Jeremy, who has the channel Financial Education. It has some really good research on this, which I recommend you go check out. And this is a high conviction stock for him. And I see it. I mean, 1.9 billion. It's a plant-based food company. It's kind of like, I think they're in your average Target where you can get food packaged. I mean, 1.9 billion, but you should go check out Financial Education's channel and check out their analysis on the stock because I think it's really good. So with all that said, that is my full stock portfolio. And I'm definitely going to be expanding and buying more stocks in the future, and I'll be able to do update videos on that for you guys. So let me know down in the comments what you think and maybe what you're invested in because I'd love to hear it. So be sure to like and subscribe because it helps the channel so much. So with that said, I'll see you all in the next video, which will likely be my crypto portfolio. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.